If you're looking for a simple Mailchimp for beginners tutorial, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics step by step so you can sign in, import contacts, create an email campaign, customize it, review everything, and send it with confidence. This is perfect if you're brand new to email marketing and want a clear, easy to follow guide. And before we get into it, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the website loads, sign in using your account credentials. This will take you into your Mailchimp dashboard where you can manage your audience, build campaigns, and control your email marketing from one place. If you're just getting started, don't worry if the dashboard looks busy at first. We're going to break everything down into simple steps. Next, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Audience. This is the section where you manage your contacts and subscriber lists. If you already have people you want to email, this is where you'll store and organize them. If you're new, this step helps you understand where all of your audience data lives inside Mailchimp. Now it's time to import your contacts. Click Add Contacts, then choose Import Contacts. Mailchimp will give you different import methods, so pick the one that works best for your list. You might upload a file or use another supported option depending on how your contacts are stored. The goal here is to get your audience into Mailchimp so you can send them campaigns later. Once your contacts are ready, go to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This is where you create and manage your email campaigns. Then click Create and choose Email, then Regular. This creates a standard email campaign, which is ideal for newsletters, announcements, updates, and promotional emails. For beginners, this is usually the best place to start because it keeps things simple and flexible. After that, Mailchimp will ask you to name your campaign. Give it a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. For example, you could name it based on the topic, date, or audience. Once you've entered the name, click Begin to continue. Now choose an email template or a basic layout. If you want a clean and simple starting point, the basic layout is a great choice because it's easy to customize. Then select the tone and click Apply. This helps set the style and feel of your email so it matches the message you want to send. Next comes the most important part, customizing your email. Edit the content blocks so they match your campaign. You can change the text, upload your logo, add or replace images, insert buttons, add links, and rearrange sections as needed. As you build your email, keep the design clean, readable, and focused on one clear message. A simple layout often performs better than something too crowded or confusing. When your email looks good, it's time to review everything carefully. Before sending, check that your campaign includes a clear subject line, well-formatted content, relevant images, a clear call to action, and consistent branding. These details matter because they help your email look professional and make it easier for your audience to understand what you want them to do. Use Preview or send a test email so you can see how it looks before it goes out to everyone. After reviewing, click Save and Exit. This keeps your progress and lets you come back if you need to make changes. It's a useful step because it gives you a chance to double-check everything without rushing into the send stage. Now complete the campaign settings. Review the recipient audience, the from name, the from email address, the subject line, and the preview text if you want to add one. Make sure all of these details are correct before sending. These settings help your email land properly and make sure your audience knows exactly who it's from and what it's about. Finally, when everything looks right, click Send. That's how you complete your first Mailchimp email campaign as a beginner. You've signed in, imported contacts, created a regular email campaign, customized the design, reviewed the content, and sent it to your audience. And that's the basic workflow you'll use again and again as you get more comfortable with Mailchimp. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. And if you want more beginner Mailchimp tips, email marketing walkthroughs, or step-by-step tutorials, make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.